In this lesson, students will learn common health problems. We will use simple words, pictures, and examples. This will help students talk about their health easily. Cold.
Cold.
A small sickness that makes you sneeze and have a runny nose. Example: I have a cold, so I am sneezing. Flu.
Flu.
A strong sickness that makes your body hurt. Example: she has the flu and feels very tired. Cough.
Cough.
When air comes out of your mouth loudly. Example: he has a bad cough. Sore throat.
Sore throat.
Pain in your throat when you swallow. Example: my throat hurts when I eat. Fever.
Fever.
When your body gets very hot. Example: he has a fever and feels weak. Runny nose.
Runny nose.
Water comes out of your nose. Example: my nose is runny today. Backache.
Backache.
Pain in your back. Example: my back hurts after sitting too long. Earache.
Earache.
Pain inside your ear. Example: she is crying because of an earache. Headache.
Headache.
Pain in your head. Example: I have a headache after school. Vomiting.
Vomiting.
When food comes out of your mouth. Example: he is vomiting because he feels sick. Stomachache.
Stomachache.
Pain in your tummy. Example: I have a stomachache after eating too much. Nasal congestion.
Nasal congestion.
Your nose is blocked. Example: I cannot breathe well through my nose. Allergy.
Allergy.
When your body does not like something. Example: dust gives me an allergy. Asthma.
Asthma.
A sickness that makes breathing hard. Example: he uses an inhaler to breathe better. Bronchitis.
Bronchitis.
A chest sickness that causes coughing. Example: he is coughing because of bronchitis. Pneumonia.
Pneumonia.
A serious lung sickness. Example: she is in the hospital with pneumonia. Tuberculosis, TB.
Tuberculosis, TB.
A lung sickness that spreads to others. Example, TB makes people cough a lot. Sinus infection.
Sinus infection.
Pain and pressure in the face and nose. Example, my face hurts because of a sinus infection. Diabetes.
Diabetes.
A sickness that affects sugar in the body. Example, he checks his sugar every day. High blood pressure.
High blood pressure.
When blood pushes too hard in the body. Example, stress can cause high blood pressure. Stroke.
Stroke.
A brain problem that affects speaking or moving. Example, a stroke can make walking hard. Arthritis.
Arthritis.
Pain and stiffness in the joints. Example, grandma's knees hurt from arthritis. Osteoporosis.
Osteoporosis.
Weak bones that break easily. Example, her bones break easily. Migraine.
Migraine.
A very strong headache. Example, light hurts her eyes during a migraine. Insomnia.
Insomnia.
Trouble sleeping at night. Example, I cannot sleep because of insomnia. Depression.
Depression.
Feeling very sad for a long time. Example, he feels sad and does not want to play. Anxiety.
Anxiety.
Feeling very worried or scared. Example, she feels anxious before exams. Dementia.
Dementia.
Trouble remembering things. Example, grandpa forgets names easily. Alzheimer's disease.
Alzheimer's disease.
A sickness that causes memory loss. Example, she cannot remember people. Epilepsy.
Epilepsy.
A sickness that causes shaking fits. Example, medicine helps control epilepsy. Parkinson's disease.
Parkinson's disease.
A sickness that causes shaking hands. Example, his hands shake a lot. Thyroid disease.
Thyroid disease.
A sickness that affects energy and weight. Example, thyroid problems make people tired. Anemia.
Anemia.
When the body is weak and tired. Example, She feels tired because of anemia. Obesity.
Obesity.
Being very overweight. Example: obesity can cause health problems. Indigestion.
Indigestion.
Pain in the stomach after eating. Example: my tummy hurts after spicy food. Food poisoning.
Food poisoning.
Getting sick from bad food. Example: he got sick after eating old food. Diarrhea.
Diarrhea.
Going to the toilet many times with watery poop. Example: dirty water causes diarrhea. Constipation.
Constipation.
Trouble going to the toilet. Example: he needs more fruits to help. Nausea.
Nausea.
Feeling like you want to throw up. Example: I feel nauseous in the car. Rash.
Rash.
Red, itchy skin. Example: soap gave me a rash. Eczema.
Eczema.
Dry and itchy skin. Example: my skin itches in winter. Psoriasis.
Psoriasis.
Red patches on the skin. Example: he has red skin spots. Pink eye.
Pink eye.
A red and itchy eye sickness. Example: pink eye spreads fast in school. Meningitis.
Meningitis.
A very serious brain sickness. Example: meningitis needs quick help. Measles.
Measles.
A sickness with fever and red spots. Example: measles causes a rash. Chickenpox.
Chickenpox.
An itchy skin sickness. Example: chickenpox makes your body itchy. Mumps.
Mumps.
A sickness that makes cheeks swell. Example: his face looks puffy from mumps. Hepatitis.
Hepatitis.
A liver sickness. Example: dirty food can cause hepatitis. Dizziness.
Dizziness.
Feeling like you might fall. Example: I feel dizzy when I stand up fast. Today, we learned many health words. We can use these words at school or at the doctor. Let's stay healthy and help each other.